Hello friends. Today I would like to introduce you an easy way of cooking fish deliciously. Even beginners can prepare fish curry easily following this method. The ingredients are cleaned and cut fish pieces 2 kgs. Here I have taken katla fish. You can take any fish of your choice. 8 big onions finely chopped. 4 green chili pieces. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. 1 big tomato finely chopped. Salt 3 teaspoons. Red chili powder 2.5 teaspoons. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Fish masala 3 teaspoons. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Fenugreek powder half teaspoon. Tamarind juice 150 grams. Coriander for garnishing. And oil 6 tablespoons. Take a wide-mouthed vessel specially designed for fish curry. The fish pieces can be easily spread and cooked evenly in this. Spread the onion and green chili pieces in the vessel. Now place the fish pieces evenly over the chopped onions. The purpose of spreading like this is to prevent the fish pieces from splitting into smaller pieces. Now add 3 teaspoons of salt. Two and a half teaspoons of red chili powder. Two tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Then pour tamarind juice over the pieces. Now mix them well in this manner by shaking the vessel. Spread the ginger garlic paste evenly. Now add 6 tablespoons oil to this and shake the vessel in this way to mix all the contents thoroughly. Here, an important point to keep in mind is that never use a spoon or a ladle to mix the ingredients. If we do so, the fish pieces will scramble. Put this vessel on stove and lit it on. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for some time on high flame. Now add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and mix it well as I said earlier. Cover it with a lid. Reduce the flame to medium. After 10 to 15 minutes, add the chopped tomato pieces and cover it with a lid. Let the contents be cooked for nearly half an hour on low flame. Mix the contents well so that the tomato pieces are mixed well into the ingredients. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Later add 3 teaspoons of fish masala, 1 tablespoon cumin powder and half a tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Sorry friends, it's 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves and let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. The delicious Andhra style fish curry is ready to be served. You can have this with rice. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Try this recipe at your home and let us know how it is in the comment section. Thank you.